Hi, welcome to my Carga Craft stained glass channel. Today we're gonna make together mixed black and copper patina, and as an example we're gonna use this mirror. I've just finished it today and we will apply patina. I hope this video gonna be useful for beginners or maybe for someone who has questions. You are most welcome to ask any questions in the comment. I'm always answering. You can press subscribe now. Do not miss new videos which can help you in your DIY project. And okay, don't waste our time. Let's start. Yes, so sorry for the mess. I'm not that kind of people who can manage make this beautiful video with so tidy places. I show as it is, so I'm a little bit messy. So I'm gonna mix black and copper patina. First time shaking. Let's maybe more, so should be enough for both sides and the flowers. I'm not gonna solder. I'm not gonna attach these flowers with solder to the mirror. I'm gonna use some glue. Okay, so I think it's a lot, but okay. The rest I can just cover with clean film and I can use it later, no problem. I've done it many times. Okay, so I will apply this patina with toothbrush. It's very easy, convenient. So the mirror, my patina mostly black, not that copper. So it would be perfect if this foil around the mirror had a black background, but it's not. It's just copper because I don't have that white white foil with a black background, only normal one. But I believe it's not gonna be that obvious. Let's see. So I'm passing all my metal parts with this patina, and I'm gonna leave it to rest for, I don't know, for 20 minutes maybe. It's okay to use hair dryer, but it's I'm working outside now. The weather is hot, so I can just leave it for a while and drink my coffee and then come back. So why I like this mix copper and black patina, it gives this effect like like old object, like it has some history and like it's been in use maybe for years. So I am turning. It's easy, it's not that big mirror, just 20 to 40 centimeters. Yeah, I prepared lots of patina, so it's okay. I will make new projects and use it fast. This mirror backside I would remove directly after applying, because it might be this patina can go a little bit through. You cannot remove easily after. I had this experience with a small candle holders I made. So once I done all this side, I will wipe it down with the mirror. So as you see, I'm using this plastic because otherwise it's gonna be everywhere. You can destroy your surfaces. I have also towel just for kind of protection, so to avoid any scratches, whatever. I think my mirror feels more cozy with this towel, so yeah. Also, I'm applying my flowers separately. Why I've decided to not solder them directly to the mirror, because I don't know, I just have this idea to make it this way. And also this mirror, when I will apply patina, wait, then clean, polish, and let it dry, and then polish once again with wax. So I think it's easier to make this way. So I will be sure that my mirror is dry and already it's not gonna be this white like oxygen's coming out. So I think it's gonna look better. And I'm gonna use a kind of glue, like not silicone exactly, but some for this multi-purpose glue, which is in tube as a silicone. Okay, so now I'm gonna wipe my mirror. See, it's getting dry very fast, so but it's still okay to wipe. That's good. I'm wiping just with a tissue because that's what was here next to my hands, but it can be wet rag. I think I should take a wet rag because it's already dry. Maybe just wet tissue is okay. Okay, so wet tissue. Oh yeah, it's perfect. This is I don't remember if I said already that it's my first actually stained glass mirror. I did different items, but not the mirrors, mirrors frames. So I was thinking what to do with this, how to hang it. So I used this red strip around the mirror, between mirror and frame, and I can wipe actually all. Yeah, you see the color becomes not exactly black, not exactly copper red, but something in between, and I like it. I like this color. So I'll turn my mirror. That I'll turn my plastic also, because otherwise it will be dirty again and can be marks on this. Wow, definitely one tissue is not enough. I think I should get whole package and use as much as I need. This is what I'm gonna do. The sun is so strong and the temperature is so high, so I don't think it's necessary to wait. It's already okay to wash it, I'm sure. So this one is okay. Anyway, I use just fairy for the dishwash and baking soda. Yeah, okay. These flowers I can wash under the tub, easier. But the mirror I will just bring some cup with this water and soda and soap, and we'll wash it down here. I prepared my soapy water with this dishwash soap and some baking soda. And I'm wiping. Yeah, the patina already quite strong. And I'll just dry it immediately, right away. Mirror we can clean later with a glass cleaner. Now, the most important, work on these things. You can see the color of them. I'm happy with the color. It's like, yeah, it's just copper mixed with the black. So here I made these two small hooks. So here I made these two small hooks to hang it. I hope it's gonna hold. This solution I found for the moment. I will check if it's gonna hold or not. I'm not gonna sell it. I will keep it for a while and we'll see what's gonna happen. I hope it will hold because It's not that heavy. It's okay, for example, to rinse it under the, maybe in the shower, or I think it's not necessary. So I'm just drying it nicely. Good. Same, I'm drying my flowers. It looks black first, but when you wipe, when you polish, the color appears like this copper. You see? It's nice. It's very practical, this mixing of patina, because if you use just copper one, first it's shiny, it's red, it's like even golden, I could say, but with the time, if you don't apply any varnish or some kind of protection, I don't know even which one because I never used, these golden seams, they become like so. For example, if you made something and sell to the customer with these golden seals, and after time it become brown, the people can be upset. I believe. So now I can remove this plastic. I don't need it anymore. I'll put on mine, but I'm not throwing. I can use it again later on. So, sun is coming through the mirror directly into my eyes. Afternoon on my balcony, it's impossible to work, so I'm trying to do these jobs in the morning when it's perfect time, sometimes in the evening, but in the evenings mostly I'm lazy. And afternoon I'm just going inside and doing some computer stuff or drawing designs, resting under air conditioner. So I'm in Turkey and it's September here, but it's still very hot. That's my flowers. I'll show you how it's gonna look. This is the smaller going here up. No, I was planning like this. Well, yeah, something like this. Then I'll show you how I'm gonna glue these flowers later on. I'm gonna apply this polish for the stained glass, which is very good. It gives like gloss for this metal. It's also nice for glass itself, as I know. So first I'm making my flowers, and then I will apply on all mirror seams. Not only apply, I will just try, what to say, yeah, like this, with this polishing movements and pressure also. Not that much pressure, so you can break the glass, but little bit of pressure, and you will see, you can see here, it's just, it becomes like, wow, shiny, shiny, glossy. That's what we want. I saw some stained glass, they have this matte finish. I don't know, honestly, I don't know how they make it. Maybe there is some another finishing compound which is matte, but I don't know. This is what I'm using all the time, and I'm happy with my glossy finish. So this, the back side, I'm also applying, but not that carefully. I mean, I'm just passing, just want to mirror be nice already, looking nice, but the rug should be also clean for that. So I got another rug. So I just don't want to wait. I want to finish it now. I want to stick my flowers to that. So I'm gonna glue my flowers with this sealant, construction sealant. It has white color. If I had transparent silicone, I could use it. Doesn't matter. Вот я так намазала довольно жирненько, но на середину цветка. И придавливаю. И все, не трогаю больше. То же самое со вторым. Оно не отвалится, ничего с ним не случится. Абсолютно можете не переживать. Обычно время таких suddenly I started to speak Russian. Sorry. So you no need to be worried. It's gonna hold. It's gonna hold nicely. So, and now we are not touching anymore. I could say until tomorrow, but I think in the evening we can check. And we can try to put a rope and put on the wall and look and see what's gonna happen, how it's gonna look like. Thank you. So this is the final result. My hanging system works well. It seems really strong. So thank you for watching.